welcome back to the Evie and Ellie Beauty Show.
Today we're painting butterfly
Jewelry boxes. In today's show we're going to do our own butterfly jewelry boxes. But before we start, we want to show off our new shirts that Mommy made. This is our beautiful Evie and Ellie Beauty shirt. When you turn around, you see the back.
Yeah.
What does yours say?
Mine says Evie and Mami say Mommy.
And Ellie has Ellie on the back. Alright, so you guys stay tuned until the end. We're going to be giving away one of our Evie and Ellie Beauty shirts with your name on it. Wait until the end of the video to see how to win an Evie and Ellie Beauty shirt. Before we get started, we're going to do our affirmations. Alright, so everybody look in your mirror. We are smart, okay? I am smart.
I am smart.
All right, and then for our Spanish word of the day, the Spanish word of the day could be paints. Okay, so let's do pintura. Can you say pintura?
Pintura.
Yes, pintura means paint in Spanish, so that's going to be our Spanish word of the day since we're using paint to create our own jewelry boxes. If you guys want to see how we make our own jewelry boxes, please keep watching.
Yes. Eliana, we have so much jewelry. We should make our own jewelry box at Mama's workshop. Let's go!
Alright, so here are our jewelry boxes. We got them from the Dollar Tree actually. And then we have some paintbrushes. We have a bunch of paint to work with.
And glitter.
Over here we have glitter. We have some spray adhesive. And a mat to paint and to mix the colors. Alright, and we have Evie and Ellie over here.
And Mommy.
And Mommy, yeah, we're getting ready to start painting our paint boxes. Alright, butterflies and Mommy posters. Let's get started. We have our materials here.
Yes.
We have our box, so let's see all the colors that we have.
So I'm going to show them all the colors.
So which color you want to put on the mat out of all these colors? Blue. Alright, we're going to do the light blue.
Yep, I like the light blue. I like the light blue. I like the light blue.
So do a little dab of there. I'm going to be using pink. Make sure to shake it up.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
Alright, that's a pretty pink. Alright, so now we get to pick our brushes. We have big and little brushes. Which one do you want to start with?
Use the red one. I like red.
Eliana, what color brush you want?
Green.
Green brush? Alright, there you go, Ellie. I want one of these big brushes because we're going to have a lot of painting to do, so I want to do a big brush.
Okay, I'll take a big brush.
You want to do a big brush too? We all have our brushes, right?
And Mommy and me have the same brush.
Winners.
Alright.
Eliana, 20s. Let's get started with our colors. Now, which color are you going to start with first? Evie. Ooh, she's doing red. Alright, Ellie, and we're going to do the inside of the boxes first, just to make sure that we cover it all on the inside. What color you want, Eliana?
Red.
Red? Okay. And Mommy's going to start with...
You should pick red because that's your favorite color.
Well, I like gold and I like red, but I think I'm going to do on the inside red. That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Let me do some red.
Everybody using red.
I know.
Let's do red.
Yeah, I know.
Look at mine, mariposas.
Ooh, yeah, mommy postas and butterflies. Mommy postas are the mommies and butterflies are the daughters. Oh, you're going to show it too? How are you doing so far?
I want to use this color.
Oh, you know what I think would be fun? Every time we use a color, we should say the color in Spanish. That would be fun, right? Alright, so since we started with red, the Spanish word for red is rojo.
Rojo.
Rojo. So can you say rojo?
Rojo.
Rojo. Good job. So red is rojo.
Comment us in the bottom if you know how to say rojo.
Comment on the bottom, rojo for red. That's a good idea. What are you doing over there, Ellie? You like the color red?
Look how I'm doing.
Ooh, you got in there a lot of red. Ooh, you put some gold in there on the wall. Ooh. So creative. I like that.
I'll use some pink now.
Okay, so since you did gold, do you know the Spanish word for gold? Is dorado.
Dorado.
All right, can you guys say dorado?
Dorado.
Dorado. Pink was, I think I told you pink before, is rosado.
Rosado.
Yes, pink is rosado.
Purple.
Purple. Do we have purple? I don't even see a purple. Look at that. You want to see something really cool?
What?
If we mix blue and red is actually purple. But that's really cool since we don't have purple. Since we don't have
Can you
purple,
try to do that?
you want me to try it a little bit?
Yeah.
All right, let's see. So if I mix the red and the blue, I think it'll make purple. Let's take one of these brushes. I'm gonna take a dab of red.
You picked out my color,
I
my
know. And then some blue, and then I mix it together.
Oh, it's like a dark purple.
Ooh, that's a dark purple, but it is turning into purple.
Now we can use purple!
Yeah, if we had a white, actually we do have a white, so we can make it a little bit lighter. Let me see. If I put see, if you add white or if you add black, it turns the color either a little lighter or a little darker. So since we have such a dark, oh, that was too much. Oopsie.
That's why you were talking.
I know, I was distracted. Look, oh, that's like a lavender purple. I think I like it. Look at that purple though. Look how pretty. Morado. I think I'm gonna use some of that purple on. This lavender color. Look at that. That's pretty, right? Do you guys see that color?
Yeah.
Wow, I love it. I like it. I'm gonna do the outside, this color.
And I'm gonna go with green with it.
Oh. You are mixing everything. You're gonna make a super rainbow.
Red.
And you're sticking with red. I see you, Ellie.
Okay, now I'm gonna do the same color.
You're gonna use my purple, my morado. You know, I think this is the color of our logo too. Look, if you look at your shirt, it's like that. Purple.
Oh.
Look at that. That's like a lavender, lilac color. Show the butterflies how you're doing it. Oh.
Show the butterflies.
Show the butterflies how you're doing.
Butterflies,
Nice.
We have to get some glitter device.
Oh yeah, at the end we're gonna add some glitter on top to give it a little bit, you know, extra zing to it.
Oh, cool, like it.
You like it, this color? It's
Mommy.
pretty, Mom. You like Mommy's, right?
I was gonna do that on the bottom too.
No way. You gonna do it on the bottom too?
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me see how you do. Ooh, I like it.
How this looks. Butterflies.
I think it looks beautiful. Yes, I think the butterflies are gonna love our boxes. So I did my inside. How do you like it so far? Look, see, I have a little bit of teal on the bottom, some purple on the side.
I'm doing a rainbow on the bottom.
You're doing a rainbow on the bottom?
Like this.
Ooh, that's super pretty.
We forgot blue.
Blue. The Spanish word for blue is azul.
How about light blue?
Yeah, you want to use that one?
How about light blue?
Well, you say claro to say light, so you say azul claro.
Azul claro?
Yeah, un azul claro.
Azul claro.
There you go.
Azul
Azul claro. There you go, Mama.
Red.
Yeah, you Miss Red over here. All you doing is using red. Crazy girl.
She is not using other colors.
No. I like that. Show the butterflies. Wow. Evie's doing such a good job.
I'm a gummy bear. I'm a gummy. Butterflies, comment us below if you like gummy bears.
The Gummy Bear song. That's Ellie's favorite song is Gummy Bears. What's your favorite song, Evie?
I'm a Barbie girl.
Oh, Barbie girl.
Before you go. And I want it, I got it. I like my hair.
Two things. Just bought it. Do you know how to say orange in Spanish? Naranjado.
Naranjado?
Oh, that was good. I didn't think you could say it. Naranjado is orange. Or naranja is like the orange that you eat, I think.
Oh, how about for tomato?
Tomato is tomate.
How about carrots?
Zanahoria.
How about blueberry?
Oh, girl. I don't know that one. Okay, so naranjado. How do we make orange? Is by mixing some red, rojo, with yellow, amarillo. That's how you make orange.
Okay, do it.
You want me to make orange?
Yeah.
Alright, so
Because I need orange.
you need an orange right now? I got you,
For
girl.
this side.
Alright, so I'm gonna take
For this
some
side.
for that side. I'm gonna take some yellow, and then I'm gonna get some red,
I'm getting all the white sides out of here.
and then I'm gonna take a clean brush and mix it together.
Mix it.
Mix it.
Ooh, I see a little orange.
Ooh, girl, we getting some
No,
orange.
yellow.
Some naranjado. Did we do green?
We didn't use green for Spanish.
Oh, Spanish word for green.
I don't know.
Verde. Can you say verde?
Comment below, butterfly, which box looks beautiful? Mine?
Which box do you like the best so far? Look at Mommy's.
And look at the other side. This is Mommy. This is Nana.
Yeah, that's Ellie's. Look at my box there.
Mama.
Okay.
I'm not showing because mine is a surprise.
Oh, yours is a surprise at the end? Okay.
You know
I'm gonna help Ellie paint just because
She's taking too long.
she's taking forever just to do a little bit in the inside, but it's okay.
You tell our butterfly
What, my
your
name?
name.
My name is Mami. I am La Reina Mariposa. I am the queen of the butterflies. All right.
And we are her command.
You are at my commands?
Yes.
Oh man, you're funny. Negro.
Negro.
That's black. Negro in Spanish. I know if you add black to a color, it makes it darker. Like if you want a darker color.
Okay. Try
Ooh, this made like a gray color. Gris. Say gris. 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 How we doing, Little Red? I'm gonna call you Little Red Riding Hood since you like to use so much red. I'm helping Ellie with hers. You like it?
I like it.
You like it?
It looks like a fashionista.
Ooh, fashionista butterfly. Yes, girl. So we are finishing up with the paint soon. Then we'll get to add our glitter.
Glitter surprise.
Little surprise. So butterflies, when we come back, we'll show you the next step in our process. We're gonna add some glitter to our boxes.
We'll be right back. Bye.
Thumbs up. No, we're not saying bye yet. We're not done. Welcome back, Mommy Posas and Butterfly. Show how your box looks so far. That's Evie's. Ellie, look, show them your box. That's Ellie's.
She kind of did most of it.
Yeah, she did most of it. She missed a couple of spots, but it's
And
all right.
show her
And there's
inside.
Mommy's.
Inside now.
And the inside with all of the red. And that's mine. You gonna
And
show
over
that?
here, I got desk and rainbow.
Yes, a nice rainbow on the bottom. All right, so now to make it super fancy, we gotta add some glitter.
Yeah.
All right, so what we're gonna do is, hold on, first get some plates so there's less of a mess. Mommy's gonna spray the spray. It's like a spray glue. And then after that, you guys get to choose whatever color you want. Okay, so let's start with the inside, okay? Let me shake up the spray glue. And then I'm gonna spray the inside.
Ooh.
Okay. And you get to choose whatever color glitter you want. Show them what glitter you're using. This one's the red, the rojo. Which color you want?
Blue.
You want blue? You sprinkle it in there. Oh, pretty. So that way you take off all the glitter. Ooh, look in there. Show them how pretty it is. Get it close there. And that's how you do it. You just, like little fairy dust. You just go like this. What is that laugh? Oh my goodness. We'll be right back and we'll show you our final masterpieces with our jewelry box. All right, butterflies. So this is our final jewelry boxes. Here is Mommy's.
Mine.
That's Evie's and
Ellie.
Ellie's. And if you like our videos, make sure you do what? give us a big thumbs up and comment on the bottom of our video and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our DIY fashion projects. And like I said, butterflies, if you guys want to get a Evie and Ellie shirt, we'll personalize your name on the back. There you go. All you have to do is like our video and comment down below, I am beautiful like a butterfly.
I'm beautiful like a butterfly.
Yeah. Like our Instagram at Evie and Ellie Beauty, and we will pick a winner and we will send you a Evie and Ellie Beauty shirt with your name on the back. So thanks again for watching, you guys. We will see you soon, and always remember to love yourself and
Feel beautiful
like a butterfly. Bye.
Bye.